There you go, honey. Just don't point it straight at him, okay? Keep that rod up a little bit. He's a fighter though, ain't he?
Yeah.
You saw him already?
No.
They ain't got all the rods out of the boat yet. She done got a takedown. That's your first fish for 2021 too, ain't it? Uh-oh, got a bite in the back.
I think it might be tangled up.
Oh, yeah, he may be. That's all right. We don't care. As long as we get the fish in. Yeah, he done went around the back rod, ain't he? Yeah, he's in that one.
Oh, did you see?
Well, I could just tell the line's pulling
Well,
that
I
way.
don't know.
It's all right, though.
Do you want me to go to the back of the boat?
Uh,
Because I think it's
yeah. Go to the back boat and go. Up. Get it off that. Pull it down. Don't give him no slack. Oh, you got him right there. I might be able to get him on side gate. Oh, yeah, go around. I see. Just sit right over in that corner. Go over that rod. Pick this one up, go over that one. Did he about pull you in?
He about pulled me in.
I ain't even seen him yet. Can you go over it? There you go.
Okay.
That's a good fish. I don't know how big he is.
Oh, he's a
I ain't got to look at
little
him.
fighter.
Has he pulled any drag? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, big fathead blue. I mean, big old dark one.
And we didn't get tangled up.
And we did get tangled up. All right. You'll just hold him right there. I'll step back here and get the net. And you got both hands full. You can't hold the camera, can you?
No.
Well, he's a good one. Good one. First fish of the day. They ain't even got the rods baited up yet. Fish number 2. Healthy. That's a pretty one. Clean looking, ain't he?
Yes, he is.
This might be the best one. He is bent.
Is he stuck?
No, he ain't stuck. He's just got more shoulders on him than the other 2. Well, it's like I feel we're gonna tighten the drag down no more. It's tight. That's just a good fish, honey. I mean, a good fish. He may be in that back rod again. Just keep on fighting. Don't worry about it. It is. It is. That's just a good fish. I got that drag tight. If he pulls it, just let him go. If any more, you break him off. He's still pulling. Is he pulling drag?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, that's a good fish. I don't want to tighten it much more. Let me feel him.
I want to see him.
That's plenty of tight enough drag. Just let him fight. That's 6 pounds of drag on there.
I want to see him.
I know you do, but you got a good one. You're gonna have to get your money's worth out of this one. This one's gonna be over 20, I bet you, or more. Are you gaining anything on him?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you're gaining, then we're good. Can't we just lock it down, because that's how you lose him. You're gaining on him. That current, I mean, you got that current too, so anything, they all feel big. This is good fish. They just took that rod straight over. You didn't have to reel down on that one. He was hooked before you got to it. So I had to take down on that. He got, he grunting? Oh, wow, that's gonna be a good fish. It's gonna be better than the other two. Don't give him no slack. Oh, look at him pull, look at him pull. Woo. Don't hold that line with your thumb. Let him slip that line. Yes, too. I saw that. Look at it. He is ripping it, boy. Gaining on him. You're 4 minutes into this fight already. Yeah, because he's a good fish. You may have a new PP. What's your PP? 40 something. Let's go back and look. 43 or 47. Oh Lord, he took off again. Now you got 3 mile an hour current or better right here. Lord, he just won't come up. I'd love to see some bubbles. Just let him come up. Just slow. Don't pull the rod out of your head. You had it into 5 minutes on this big boy. My goodness. I'm getting excited too. I want to see what this fish looks like. My goodness. Well, the fish coming on your side of the boat, not my side of the boat. Holy Lord. Got a stick, but that's all right. May have another line, but that's all right. Oh, I see which one you got. It's okay. Don't give him no slack. Let me get that out of your way. Here, back up just a little bit. Don't let it wrap around your rod, baby. Good Lord. Good Lord. Let me get this away. Oh, my Lord, he feels good. What have we done here? I gotta put this camera down, save your fish. Oh, it got wrapped in my finger. Okay. Still got that out of line, but oh, I see the big boat. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my, oh, honey. Oh, there's your new PB right there. Gotta be. He's over 40. Oh my Lord, I gotta set the camera down. Oh my Lord, you got a good one. Got a bigger net. I'm just gonna have to get it. I don't think this one ain't gonna get even. Going back. Maybe she'll be 100 next time we see her. I'll take her when she's 60. Oh. To do this easy, but there ain't really no easy way to do it. Without falling in. Okay, but you lose you. Just gotta let you go. Oh, you're alive. You kicking. go. Huh?